Welcome to Minute Profinet. We often get the question, is Profinet proprietary? The statement that it is proprietary is a myth that we will debunk in today's video. This content is brought to you by PI North America, a nonprofit member-supported organization. If you like learning about industrial technologies, please subscribe and join our community. For now, let's go to the whiteboard.
Profinet is not proprietary. It is an open standard, and here's how. A proprietary standard is owned by a company or organization. Such an entity exercises sole discretion as to who may use their technology and under what terms. An open standard is publicly available and has various rights to use associated with it. Profinet is an international standard. The specification was created by PI working groups, but neither the PI organization nor any company owns the standard. Device manufacturers can embed Profinet in their device, controller, or machine by employing a chip, software stack, or module from their solution provider of choice. Also, the Profinet specification is available at the PI or IEC websites. The PI organization offers membership programs, but membership is not required to implement Profinet in products. Membership gives companies the option to join working groups, participate in marketing and educational programs, and much more. Since Profinet is an open standard, an extensive number of manufacturers have implemented Profinet in their products. End users can buy Profinet-enabled products from various manufacturers and combine them to create the best possible automation solution. So you've learned how Profinet is an open standard, but what are the benefits of open standards, and why are they important? Well, there are three main benefits of open standards. Open standards encourage overall adoption, promote competition between vendors and foster innovation, and they provide ease of integration. Since its introduction, the adoption of Profinet has grown exponentially. As of 2021, over 40 million Profinet nodes have been installed worldwide. Also, thousands of different Profinet components are available from hundreds of manufacturers. Open standards foster a broad selection of products and promote competition between vendors. This competition is what drives innovation and lowers prices. Disruptive technologies often emerge from companies that are agile enough to innovate based on open standards. Also, open standards allow small and medium-sized companies to compete. Profinet device manufacturers offer a wide array of products. Some target specific niche markets, while others provide added functionality for product differentiation. A few examples of added functionality include integrated web services, wireless connections, functional safety, and connectivity to higher level systems. Finally, open standards help streamline the development process with various readily available options and resources for implementation. All in all, Profinet is an international open standard. It is a future-proof technology that continues to grow and adapt to new challenges in the automation industry.
Would you like to learn more about Profinet? You can watch the free on-demand webinar, How Profinet Works, a beginner's guide for a complete Profinet overview. Follow the link in the description of this video to access the full recording and complete slide set. Also, we encourage you to browse through the us.profinet.com website. We offer many free resources such as white papers, documentation, videos, other webinars, and training. Please comment below. We would like to hear from you and we'll answer any questions you might have. And as always, thank you for watching.